Accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann has been charged with the murder of a seventh woman. Her name is Valerie Mack, a 24-year-old from New Jersey who had been working as an escort in Philadelphia. Her partial remains were found in Manorville in 2000, and more of her remains were found on Gilgo Beach more than 10 years later. In a packed courtroom, Heuermann responded to the indictment by stating, quote, "Your Honor, I'm not guilty of any of the charges," end quote. He then shook his head no.
The lives of these women matter. We as investigators, we understand that. Obviously, no one understands it more than the families.
61-year-old Heuermann is already charged with killing 6 other women whose remains were found on Long Island. He has pleaded not guilty to all the charges. Mack's parents didn't speak, but several other victims' relatives gave the Macks roses and hugs in a show of solidarity.
The Macks need a little bit of time.
Newsday reporter Tony DiStefano says while Mack's parents aren't ready to talk, he spoke with Mack's half-sister, Tricia Haven.
She was very happy. She thought it was awesome news, and she was glad that Heuermann may be found responsible for Valerie's death.
Did she ever think that this day would come?
She thought it was possible, particularly after the task force made the first arrest, and she began to feel that things were progressing.
Outside of court, Heuermann's defense attorney, Michael Brown, disputed the evidence presented in Mack's death, noting the DNA technology used to connect her and other victims to Heuermann is questionable. Brown plans to file a motion for a Fry hearing to challenge its admissibility in Heuermann's trial.
Their science, this quote-unquote science, has never been deemed reliable in our state.
The judge said a pre-trial Fry hearing will take place in late February or early March. In Riverhead, Virginia Huey, Newsday TV.